Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Figma to FigJam for collaborative UI design step by step clearly.
Open Figma and log in to your account.
Create a new design file or open an existing one.
Design the UI elements you want to use in FigJam. Select the elements you wish to import into FigJam. Right-click on the selected elements to open the context menu. Choose the copy option to copy the elements to your clipboard.
Now, switch to FigJam by opening a new tab or window in your browser.
Create a new FigJam board or open an existing one. Click on the canvas where you want to place the copied elements. Right-click on the canvas and choose the Paste option. The elements from Figma will now appear on your FigJam board.
Use FigJam's features to add comments, stickers, and notes around your design. Collaborate with your team by inviting them to the FigJam board.
Ensure everyone can view and edit if necessary. Utilize FigJam's voting and brainstorming tools for feedback on your UI designs. Integrate your workflow by making changes in Figma as needed. Copy and paste updated designs from Figma back into FigJam for continuous collaboration.
Save your work regularly to avoid losing any changes.
Review the collaborative elements with your team after each session. Adjust elements based on collective feedback to enhance the design.
Keep your FigJam board organized for easy navigation. Celebrate iterative improvements as you refine your UI design together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.